Normalize na waste, na spoilage at shrinkage. When you stop counting losses, they multiply. Yung nasisira, ganyan lang talaga. Yung nawawala, naku, normal lang yan, Mami N. Naku anak, hindi yan normal. Let me explain to you using Nika's story. Si Nika, meron siyang isang restaurant na pinatatakbo for several years na. Nagsiserve siya sa mga regular customers at meron din siyang deliveries. So si Nika accepted na yung waste ay part to ng running the business. Yung mga hindi nabebenta na pagkain at the end of the day, sabi niya, well, nangyayari yan, Mami N. Yung mga ingredients na nasisira, ay nako, shelf life naman talaga yan, Mami N, sabi niya. Mga maling order from the suppliers, nako, small mistakes lang yan, okay na yan. Ininto niya yung pag-track ng losses dahil parang nakakapagod, time-consuming. But when I asked her to estimate, sabi niya, maybe a few thousand pesos per month, Mami N. Sabi ko, sige nga, track natin lahat for just 3 weeks. Wasted ingredients, yung mga overcooked na meals, damaged deliveries, wrong orders, at saka leftover portions. So at the end, yung kanyang monthly average was much higher than yung kanyang estimate. Kaya after years in business, yung mga small losses natin, feel natin normal lang. Dahil busy tayo, pagod tayo, ayaw na nating i-track. Nakakapagod sayang yung oras. So yung wastage ay parang part lang ng doing business. Pero alam mo anak, spoilage is not fixed, ha? It's a problem that you can fix. You just stop measuring it. Kaya ito yung ginawa ni Nika. He kept a small waste log for 30 days. What was lost, why, and how much? At nakita niya na most waste came from overproduction pag mga busy days at meron ding mga poor storage sa mga delivery na sisira dahil hindi maayos. She adjusted her cooking schedule tapos in-improve niya yung kanyang storage. So yung kanyang monthly waste bumaba dramatically. Imagine, kahit na pag-fix lang niya dyan sa top 2 na causes, it brought back a big chunk of money for her. Kaya track every loss for a month, anak. I-total mo. Tapos hanapin mo yung mga main causes at ayusin mo. Even a 50% reduction saves you money that you worked hard for, di ba? Pera mo yan Kaya let's be business-minded, Pinoy.